Hi, this is Matt with XLR8 Roofing here in Winter Park, Florida. Today we are actually doing a roof that we had just done recently, but there was a problem with the shingle from the manufacturer, so we put a claim in with Owens Corning and they approved the claim. When something isn't right, we make sure it's correct. And one of the great things about this roof for the homeowner is they're actually getting an upgraded shingle from the last time at no extra cost to them. The previous shingle was an Owens Corning Oak Ridge, which is a good shingle, but this is the true definition Owens Corning Duration shingle in Quarry Gray. This has the Sure-Nail technology, which is that extra strip on the front of the shingle, which actually helps it adhere to the deck, and it's a lot stronger and it gives it a better wind rating. We'll come back here once we get a little bit further along and take a look at it.